Yes, hello Barry, this is Ray, and in this video I'll be going over the new website that I've set up for you. It's very important that you watch this video all the way through because there are some finer details regarding your new website that you'll need to be made aware of, and a lot of the finer details and features are not really apparent if you're just viewing the website. It's a lot of it is stuff that's going on in the background, and so watch this video. It'll bring you up to speed on your new website and all of the neat features that I've set up for you. This is your current website right now. You and I, we spoke on the phone in great length. We went over the problems with this website and also some ways to improve it. So what I've done is I've actually taken a few of your products and I've set them up on the new website. Now it's up to you to log in. Once I move the website, watch the tutorials that I've prepared for you and begin adding all of your products. You'll want to set up categories for all of your products and start moving over the products you currently have on your site to your new site. And it's really very easy to do. I mean, I can personally add a new product from scratch in under 30 seconds. It may take you a minute or two, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to add products to your new website very, very easily. Now, I've actually made 3 different layouts for you. In the process of creating your new website, I toyed with a couple different layouts, and quite honestly, I couldn't decide which one I liked best. I wanted to offer you the option of choosing. This is the first layout. You'll see it's a boxed layout, so it allows for a full-size background. I've added a wood background kind of to symbolize a wine rack, for example. Adds a nice touch instead of having just a flat color background. I have your social links here to the side. When you scroll your mouse over them, they'll pop out just to add a nice modern touch to your site. So once I move the website to your domain, I'll link these up to your Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and your email. I've created a little logo for you, something a little better and more on target than what you had here, which was just a banner. So I created a logo for you. Now this is an e-commerce website. What that means is your website's purpose, the main purpose, is to showcase your products, your wine accessories, and to get people to order. So you'll notice there's a My Account link up here. This is for your current customers. This is for people that come to your website, they order something, maybe a few days later they want to come back, track its shipping. Maybe they want to go over items in their wish list that they've added over time while browsing your store. People can actually create a wish list and browse, kind of window shop, and add items to their list and come back at a different day or time, whether it's days, weeks, months later, and they can go over the items they have stored in their wish list. So all of that is managed through My Account. And then you have links to your main pages of your website. I set up a Goldschwantz Corner blog. That's something that you wanted, so I've set that up for you. I also set up a chat forum. Basically what I did was I set up a forum where you can have different chat groups and people can make posts and discuss topics based on that chat group. So I set that up for you as well. I set up a page to show all of the items that you have on sale. So I noticed on your current website you actually have items June shopping bargains. So what I did was I set up a current specials page, and you can pick any products you want to throw a sale on, and they'll all be categorized on that page. I also set up some example categories. Now you have a ton of products on your website, and as we discussed, what I did was I picked a few random product categories and I set up some actual products in each category, kind of to fill up the site, give you a running start. But of course, based on simply how many products you have, it's up to you to add to it. So just follow the form and add your other categories and start adding products. But I've actually set up a few categories for you, and I've loaded up some products. And then I have a questions and comments form. This is basically just a contact form. If someone has a quick question, they can email that to you. Also, there's an ongoing tally here in the top right of what's in your cart. So as people browse your website, add items to their cart, this will show an ongoing tally. Now when we scroll through, this is the home page. Now remember, I made 3 different layouts. This is the first layout. This home page, basically it's an introduction. If you don't like what I have here, you can change it. Just tell me what you want in its place, but I just threw together a quick welcome message. I have your picture here, Goldschwant's Corner. When you click here, you'll be taken to the blog. I have your phone numbers here. I also have your social links, satisfaction, guarantee, promise, and I have links to some articles. And what I did, Barry, is I actually just picked some articles at random I found online to fill up your new Goldschwant's Corner blog. You'll have to log in and replace these articles with your own. And then from there, just continue adding articles to your blog. But I added a few just to give you a running start. Now the home page, once you land on the home page, you're immediately presented with featured products. You can designate what you want added and displayed on the home page very easily. And my idea for you is to pick your best sellers, the items that you have a sale on, the items that people are searching for the most. Put them on your home page, and I've just randomly picked some from the various categories. So when you land on the home page, it's a very nice, professional, modern first impression. You have your logo. This slider you can add multiple images to. I'll let you pick images that you want up here. That's for you. You mentioned you wanted a slideshow on the home page, so I added one. But it's up to you to, add the images you want, and you can have unlimited slides. But when you scroll through the home page, you have all of your prime products, your featured products, and you'll notice when you put your mouse over it, you have a nice pop-out feature. I just wanted to add little touches to the website that gives it a nice modern touch. Now you can either add to cart. Now watch what happens. If you click add to cart, you'll see $71.99, and right up here you now have an item added to your cart. Very, very professional and easy for people to shop your website, and anytime they want to see what they have added to their cart, they can just go up here. Now if you want details, you just click show details, and it'll give you more details on this product. And then down here I have basically why order from WineAccessory.com. And when you click on these, you have different reasons. You'll notice I have some dummy text. This is basically for you to update. My job as the web developer is to create the site, make sure everything functions properly, but it's up to you to enter all your content in once I move the website. But basically, this is an area where you can give 4 reasons why you are the guy to go to for anything relating to wine accessories, why they should order from this website. Everything from expert advice to good quality products, personal service. Now, let's look at one of the example product pages. This, for example, if we come here and click show details, let me show you what one of the product pages looks like. And I'll quickly go over this because every single product page is pretty much going to follow the same format. This right here is a product page. You can see you have a picture of the product. You can click it, and what will happen is you'll get a larger view. Very nice, professional, easy to use. You have the price, you have a description. You can very easily update these for all of your products. Again, I'll provide you tutorials, Barry, on how you can edit all of this. People can leave reviews. So once people order, they can come, they can leave a review. All these reviews will need to be moderated by you before they're live. So don't worry about anyone posting anything wacky. And then you have the different categories. If people want to continue shopping your website, they can go to the different categories of products you offer. So you can see the product pages are very professional looking. You have nice big pictures here. And then you have other related products. So you can see right now we're looking at Essence Box, and down here it's showing you other Essence boxes that are available. And for example, if we click on here, we can go to this particular Essence Box product page and basically continue shopping the website. So you can see here. Now, if we go to, for example, let's say we want to look at decanters. We can click here, decanters, and we'll go to that particular category. And again, I picked a few products in a few random categories just to fill up the site, but it's up to you to, of course, add all of your other products. Very easy to do so. Just follow the instructions in the tutorials and you'll be set. So in this category, this is decanters, luxury decanters, and this is where you would, as you're adding products using the back panel of your website, you would select this category, for example, if they're decanters. So same thing, if we go up here and we click, for example, on wine racks, if we come here and click on wine racks, you'll see we'll be taken to a page where all of your Bordeaux wine racks and kits are displayed. Now, of course, I picked a few just to load as examples. You'll need to add all of the rest. But you can see that on this page we have your wine racks. And people can view the wine racks. If they know they want it, if they've come to this page and they know exactly the one they want, they don't even have to go to that page and look at the description. They can just click add to cart and boom, it's added to their cart. Or if they want to look at all of the specific details, they can click show details. Now what I want to do is go over some of the other features of your site. This is your blog. This is Goldschwant's Corner right here. And this is the area I've set up for you to add articles relating to wine. And I've loaded up a handful of articles just to get it going. But of course you'll want to replace these articles with your own, and you'll want to add articles moving forward. Now what you're seeing on this page is basically a menu of all of your articles. You can click on a title and you'll go to that specific article, just like any blog or ongoing tips and advice section on any website. And again, I'm calling this Goldschwant's Corner, just like you asked. If I have the spelling incorrect, please let me know and I'll fix it right away for you. But you can see this is the actual article page, and you can read this article, and you'll notice that at the end of every article, what I've set up is I've set up a feed to display random products, and I have here some items you may like from WineAccessory.com, and I have scrolling different products. And the idea is, as people go through your website and they read some of these articles, they're always ending off looking at one of your products. And that's important in order to get, of course, the main objective is to get sales on your website. I also set up a chat forum, a nice forum here. I've set up some categories: best dish and wine matchings, wine recommendations and reviews, off-topic general discussions. This is an area where you can hold ongoing discussions and chats with all of your website visitors. They'll have to register, and once they register and they can set up a profile, basically just like Facebook, they can set up a profile with a picture and they can join in on all the discussions. That's good for you because it gives you an ongoing mailing list of people that have come to your website that you can send special offers to and discounts and coupons. It's basically a good marketing tactic to offer a chat forum, and then also requiring people to register if they want to post to any of these forums. And that way you have a list of people that are your website visitors that you could market to. Now if we click on any one of these example topics, I made some test posts just to make sure everything works. You can see that it's set up just like any other forum. People can post topics, and then other people can post replies, and an ongoing chat can happen right on your website. You as the moderator can approve and flag and delete any comments. So you can see I actually set up some user accounts just to test everything. Everything works beautifully. Now, if you don't like the forums that I've set up, you can add your own forums. I just set up a few But it's up to you to delete the ones that I've set up and set up your own forums on whatever topic you choose. That's up to you. The video tutorials will show you how everything works, but it's very easy to do so. So if you don't like these 3 forums that I set up, you can set up ones of your own. Now, if we go here, what I want to do is I want to show you the cart. Let's say somebody wants to go to view cart. They can view their cart. And you can see that on this page you're getting an ongoing tally of what's in your cart. You can view any items that are in your cart. If you have a coupon, you can apply a coupon. I actually set up an example and I call it grand, which gives you 20% off your order as a grand opening coupon. Now you can make as many coupons as you want. You can either designate a percentage amount off or a flat dollar amount off. So we click apply coupon and you'll see here that this will update. We get a message, coupon code applied successfully. We see our discount. And then you can go ahead and this gave us the discount of $20. Again, this was an example coupon that I set up just to test the coupon feature. It gives you $20 off. I was mistaken. It's not percent. It's $20. But you can set up coupons to be either a percentage or a dollar amount off. And then once you, as a customer, review your order, you can proceed to checkout. Now I've set this up to work with PayPal, and I've also set it up as a catalog mode. Basically, catalog mode is the order is not charged to their credit card. It's not, you basically are collecting the information and you'll have to review it and manually run it. This is the way you requested it, so I've set that up for you, Barry. But I've also set it up to work with PayPal. So you have both options. You can choose to use PayPal or keep the system the way you have now, which is get the order details and then manually run it. And in case there's an error in the order or you want to recommend something different to the customer, you now have a way of doing so. And in fact, you have a very easy way of doing so, because whenever someone completes the order form, their information is saved in your website now in a very organized fashion. So if you want to email them, you can email them directly from the website and manually finish the order. So you can see everything we discussed is on the website, as far as your social links, your chat forum. I have nice categories designated as a drop-down menu, and you can add as many categories as you want, load up all of your products. Also, one more thing I want to go through is I added a feature. There's a feature on the website where you can put a sale for a certain period of time on any product. So for example, if this product here, I'm running a sale on, and what I did is basically when you're adding a product to your website, you can put a regular price and a sale price, and then a calendar period of, say, a few days, a few weeks, a month, whatever. And the website will automatically show the sale price and a sale icon on that product during that time. And once that time expires, it'll automatically revert back to the regular price and remove the sale feature here. So that gives you an automated way to put a bunch of items on sale for, say, 7 days, a couple weeks, whatever, and then not worry about having to take that, go back to the website and take that sale off. The website will remember to revert back to the regular price once that time frame expires, and it'll do it automatically. And I've set up a page here called Current Specials that shows all of the items that are currently discounted. So if someone wants to come to the website and just look at everything that's on sale, they come to Current Specials, and that's where they would do it. Now what I want to do is go over the other 2 layouts that I set up for you. This is layout number 1, which is a boxed layout with a wood grain background. I also set up another layout And this layout, Wine Accessory 2, this is the second layout that I set up. Now the difference between this layout and this one here is that you can see this layout is a wide layout. Basically, it takes up the full screen. It has a more minute color scheme to it. Of course, I've added some spice as far as the red, the purple here, the red sail icons. Basically, I've made a few styling changes, but it's the same website as far as all of the features and everything. All of the example content and products that I've loaded up is exactly the same, except the layout is a widescreen layout. And of course, this top area is where I've designated for your slideshow to be that you wanted, where you can have a bunch of slides and images relating to wines, and they would rotate here. So I put that here for you, but you can see this is a more wide layout. In all of the pages, if we go here to one of these product pages, they all have the wide layout, in opposed to, of course, this website, which is a boxed layout. Okay, so that's the difference between this first version and the second version. And again, you can see in the second version, it's a wide layout. It's actually, I believe it has, in my opinion, a little more pop because it takes up the whole screen. But I've accented the white and the gray with a lot of red and violet and purple. Which also I thought was a good color scheme for the fact that it is a wine lover's website. Now I want to show you the third layout, and this is the third layout. Okay, this layout is actually pretty similar to the first, which is this one here. The only difference is on this third layout, which you can tell it's called Wine Accessory number 3. The only difference is I'm using a different background. So it's the same as the first version, it's just a different background. I wanted you to tell me, basically, I want you to tell me, Barry, which of these three layouts you prefer. Do you prefer this first version with the wood background? Do you prefer this version with the wide background? Or do you prefer this version with this colorful background here? All the features are the same, and I thank you for the opportunity to set up your new website. It is head and shoulders beyond as far as in features, looks, and also this website here is very difficult to navigate, your current website. Your new website, whichever of the three versions you choose, not only is it much more modern looking, it has all of the new features that you would want on today's type of website, such as your social links, and also it has a more easy way to categorize all of your products. You also have the chat forum, you have your blog here. So basically, you have all of the features that you have here, which is the different categories, the blog, but you have it in a much more organized fashion. And now you just have to decide which website you prefer. Do you prefer number 1, number 2, or number 3? Thank you for the opportunity, Barry, to create this website for you, and I look forward to your feedback.